What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video, another live day trading video. Today is Monday, February 23rd. We're gonna see how we go today. Let me just show you what we have so far prior to market open. So as you can see here, we have not swept previous day high or previous day low yet. So those are very two strong draws, at least within my opinion. And then if you look at the 4 hour, it's a bit more undecisive in a sense. At least within these last like five or so bars, we did inverse this bullish gap here, and then we are now respecting this bearish gap, um, this bearish 4 hour. But we'll see if we'll either fill it and then completely respect it or what. And then let's see what we're doing here. So we already swept London high on ES. We haven't yet on on NQ. It does look like we are going to sweep it. Starting market open, we'll see though. Personally, I would much rather have shorts to either London low or previous day low. And yeah, that's what I'm thinking of right now. We'll see what happens. We'll see what occurs. We're not necessarily ranging, but we are a bit indecisive. I am very like reactive right now. Like whatever occurs, I will adapt to, but I also want to be careful at the same time because I see we already swept London high on ES. It looks like we might push towards London high on NQ, but that's not something I wouldn't. That's not something I take. Like something towards London high. Maybe if we close above London high, I'm willing to take something towards previous day high. But yeah, that's basically it. So we'll see what happens. Only thing I wouldn't like though is if we were to sweep previous day high on ES. That's just an automatic no. I wouldn't take any longs. That's just my general rule. If we were to sweep something on ES, I would not want to take it on NQ. Because the way I trade is I trade towards very strong draws on liquidity. So that's either previous day high, previous day low, certain like 4 hour untapped gaps. Those are strong to me. And then session highs. But yeah, it seems like we just pushed through all this, swept London high, and then possible possible range. We'll see. Yeah, we just pushed. Let's see. So we just pushed around what 70 to 80 points, and then completely retraced. So that's not something I necessarily like, and I don't like the fact how ES and NQ are a bit uncorrelated right now, at least in movement. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see what happens though. Let's say I were to take something on NQ. Um, if it were to sweep previous day high before NQ does, then I would have to go break even. Like it's just my rule. Let's go with Discord. All right. So this is something that I've been liking lately. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, if we, fuck. I like you don't want to curse that much on this video. Um, yeah. If we were to sweep previous day high on ES prior to NQ, then I'm just not gonna take anything, at least any longs. Like we have to retrace. We'd have to retrace a good amount, but we'll see. I'm not necessarily pushing towards anything. All right, boys, we are back. If you haven't seen already, or haven't said it already, um, we just completely skimmed previous day high on ES, not even being close to it on NQ. I have three scenarios. Um, over here. Okay, so Obviously, today these are my daily levels. I said price has taken out London high on both assets, edging previous A high on ES. We could possibly get some sort of continuation towards previous A high, or a possible reverse towards London low, which is 200 points away. Or at this point, just range and chop for the next hour or so, considering it is a no news Monday. Oh, okay. So I wasn't looking for 1 second, and we just have like a slight dump. Okay, nice to know. Nice to know. I would want to see. I would want to see ES inverse this gap just to get some sort of confirmation at the slightest. And yeah, we'll see. I think we will. Here's the issue now. We're about to take out London high. I mean London low on NQ, and then not even be close to it on ES. I'm not. I'm not liking this. If I gotta be honest. Ah, yeah, this is something I want to be extra careful in. Definitely extra careful in. It's just not something I'd be like very confident in taking something, even with like an eval. Because I do have one eval that I'm trying to pass. I have my other alpha qualified. Yeah, this is just. It's not something that I'd be confident in. I would not be confident in taking anything here, at least within a funded. Noting. I am noting. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to really talk about during these live live videos. Because here's my thing, like when I'm trading, I don't really say anything. It's kind of like an hour of just me looking at the chart. I don't really want to you know, bore anyone watching this. Even though I do think it's not productive, but it's something good to see, not only as like somebody else, but like me just watching back at this video, like going back and watching this video. I think it helps me a lot. It helps me at least not only within trading, but like the way I speak, the way I present myself on camera. It's something I'm trying to improve for sure. Like I wouldn't be surprised if COVID kind of like messed up like society's like social skills in a sense. Because there are some people who just can't speak to others because those like developing years in which you like communicate and become social or a bit more social than usual, like a year or two of that was kind of like erased or just replaced with online school. Because I went through, if I'm not mistaken, like half of seventh grade and then all of eighth grade, I did that online. So that kind of cooked everything, if I'm being honest. Online school, it's just ridiculous. Who would have thought though, like COVID, a sickness, a pandemic, would have made everybody stay home? Like that was ridiculous if you really think about it. Like, oh, you can't even go out into the streets or this flu will just kill you. Like, bro, I think it's retarded. I've had COVID like twice, and like obviously like it sucks, but at the end of the day, it just feels like a flu. It feels exactly like a flu. Um, so I don't know. I think it's a weird thing, but it was it was OD to say the least. OD. Like look at ES and then look at NQ. It's like the same movements are kind of happening, but they're just like comparably like 200 points away. It doesn't make sense. I don't think I'm gonna take anything to be honest. I'm gonna call my trading friend. Just so you guys know, um, what was I gonna say? Just so you guys know, I probably won't take anything. Like there is a strong chance I won't take anything unless we just break out of this and just pump lower towards previous day low. That's basically it. Like there is no other option. Yo,
What's good, nigga? Holy AIDS ass fucking art.
bro,
I don't even know what to say about that shit, nigga. Just wow.
bro, was it 30 minutes? Drive by.
What happened?
No, I'm just looking at hold up, 35. Their chat. I'm just gonna leave it up. All right, boys. It's been around I'd say 45 minutes since I paused the video. As you can see, we did sweep London low on NQ. Um, then uh, then around 10 minutes after we swept London low on ES. Honestly, like only thing I would have taken was maybe like I don't know, like some sort of displacement here, but even then, I don't see anything where I'm necessarily like, wow, you know? Um, I understand like now we probably will hit previously low, but at what expense? Um, like, I don't know, if you take a look at this, it tapped this bearish gap, this bearish one minute here, like a million times. Then it inversed. Then it reversed over here. It wouldn't, I don't think it would have, yeah, I mean, you would have been stopped if you, put your stop here, which I probably would have done. Probably wouldn't have put the wick. So got stopped. And then look at this. Like, I don't know. It's not something that I would have taken anything. Even an eval, not at all. I would not have taken any of this. But we'll see. Today is a Monday. Today it's the 23rd, 10:53. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Probably tomorrow. I'm trying to make a live day trading video every day, if not almost every day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.